If you want to do hotel collabs, you gotta practice doing GGCs. Here's a collab that I did with W Hotel Kuala Lumpur. Take a look. Well, hello, welcome. This is the marvelous suite at the W Hotel Kuala Lumpur. This is the guest bathroom, so you have your own toilet if you're staying with another person. Now, this is the living space. Happy birthday for me. Big space, has TV, has couches, and this cute little thing. Popsicles. Lovely and marvelous view of KL CC Twin Towers. Look at that gorgeousness. Oh my god. So we have another birthday. It's cake that you can crack. It's awesome. Let's pop bottles. Thank you, W Insider. King size bed. It says today is all about you balloon. It says today is all about me. Yes, that is correct. TV and this pillow thing. Did you see the pillow thing? It's very cool. Outlet right here. Now let's go into my second favorite part of the bedroom, which is the, well, I guess first is the closet. Flashlight, hairdryer, stool, W robe, iron, there is an ironing board, fluffy W slippers, safe for your valuables and computers, luggage rack. Check it out. Look at the shower. There's twin showers, there's twin shower heads, Lake Spa products, there's TV, and the loofah. They have the fabulous, this is our favorite all skin type fabulous foaming face wash by Bliss Spa. They have two sets, so you can see over there there's two. And also the body butter, lemon sage, and the Nourish mouthwash. Stove Bane, all shaving kit. Here is the toilet, the main toilet in the suite. Thanks so much for joining me on this marvelous suite tour of W Hotel Kuala Lumpur. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Please do not forget to like this video, share it if you want to share it to your friends so that it will come in this group, this hotel. So if you're in Kuala Lumpur, you can definitely check out the W because why wouldn't you, right? It's amazing. Right now, yes. So again, thanks for watching. Stay subscribed and see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you want to watch the full version of this video, or if you're interested in learning more about UGC for hotels or hotel collabs, I have a whole nother video where I talk more about it. Just check the description for all the juicy details. See you there. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all?